This is Phil at Small Farm Innovations. I want to talk to you about this Yanmar YM4300D. Has no hydraulics on it, and what I found was the suction screen is heavily plugged, and I want to show you. Now this is sitting in the driver's seat. It's on the left side, and you can look up under here. I removed the cover, and there's the O-ring there. Make sure you don't lose that. So anyway, that's the problem on this Yanmar tractor. It would lift, but it was real slow, so a lot of resistance to flow there. I'm going to put a new oil filter on it, or hydraulic filter, and I'm a Wix guy. They're all good, but it's a the Wix number on this is 511.99. So if you have a YM4300D and you have really poor activating or action on your hydraulics, check your suction screen. Once again, you can see the port right there. So it's not hard to get to. Get a 12mm wrench or socket and a ratchet and back it out. Drain the oil right there too until it comes down, but have you some rags and bucket ready, because oil is going to come and see you. This oil is heavily contaminated, so it'll get replaced with a premium universal hydraulic oil. Subscribe to our channel. If you got comments or questions, give us a holler on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.